Understanding Amazon Route 53, your internet compass. Amazon Route 53 is a very helpful cloud service from AWS. It is a domain name system, often called DNS Web Service. You can think of it like an address book or a phone book for the vast internet. It is specifically designed to be highly available. This means it is always working. It is also scalable, so it can handle a small amount of traffic or a very large amount. Route 53 helps businesses and developers direct their users. They can guide users to internet applications with great reliability. It forms a crucial part of the AWS cloud platform for many customers worldwide. When you type a website name, such as into your internet browser, your computer needs to find out where that website actually lives on the internet. Websites are hosted on servers, and these servers have specific addresses called IP addresses. These IP addresses are usually numbers, like, for example, Amazon Route 53 performs this important job of translation. It takes the human-friendly domain name that you type and quickly changes it into the computer-friendly IP address. This entire process is known as DNS resolution, and it happens behind the scenes very fast. Amazon Route 53 is not just for translating domain names into IP addresses. You can also use this versatile service to register new domain names for your websites. This means you can search for a website name that you like. If that particular domain name is available for registration, you can purchase it directly through the AWS Management Console using Route 53. For instance, you might want to register for your latest project. Route 53 helps you manage all your domain names conveniently in one central place. This greatly simplifies the process, helping you get your website online more easily. A significant strength of Amazon Route 53 is its truly global network infrastructure. It has many servers located strategically all around the world. These servers are often referred to as points of presence, or POPs. When a user from any location tries to access your website or application, Route 53 responds to their DNS query. It intelligently responds from the DNS server that is geographically nearest to that user. This design makes the name lookup process incredibly fast for everyone. This global distribution also inherently makes Route 53 very reliable and resilient. If one server encounters an issue, others are readily available to take over. Reliable routing, health checks, and global traffic management. Amazon Route 53 can do much more than just point domain names to IP addresses. It can also actively check the health and availability of your applications or servers. This important capability is achieved through a feature called Health Checks. Route 53 can be configured to monitor your specified servers or endpoints. It achieves this by regularly sending automated requests to them. This allows it to see if they are responding correctly and are therefore healthy. If a server is determined to be unhealthy or unresponsive, Route 53 becomes aware of this status almost immediately. This means it can intelligently stop sending users to a broken part of your application. When a Route 53 health check identifies a problem with an endpoint, Route 53 can then take automatic action to maintain application availability. This is where the powerful feature of failover routing comes into play. Imagine, for example, that you have a primary server for your application. You also have a backup server ready in case of any issues. Route 53 will normally send all your users to the primary server. However, if that primary server fails its health check for any reason, Route 53 can automatically and seamlessly switch traffic over to your backup server. This ensures your users can still reach your application with minimal disruption. Another very smart feature offered by Route 53 is latency-based routing. This particular routing policy helps make your website or application feel faster. It works for users located anywhere around the globe. Let us say you have application servers deployed in different geographical regions. For instance, you might have servers in Europe, some in Asia, and others in North America. Route 53 can determine which of your servers is closest to each individual user. It measures the network delay or latency from the user to your various server locations. Then it directs the user to the server that will provide them with the fastest possible response. Route 53 also provides a useful policy known as geolocation routing. This policy allows you to direct your users to different resources or servers. The routing decision is based on the geographical location of your users. For example, you might want users accessing your website from France to see a version of your site that is specifically in the French language. Similarly, users from Japan could be directed to a Japanese version. You can also use this feature effectively to restrict access to content in certain regions. This might be necessary to comply with local regulations or licensing agreements. Geolocation routing is a powerful tool for global applications. Advanced capabilities, private networks, and enhanced security. Amazon Route 53 is not limited to managing DNS for public internet traffic only. You can also use its capabilities for private DNS hosting. This is specifically for resources inside your Amazon virtual private clouds or VPCs. A VPC is essentially your own isolated private network space within the AWS cloud. Inside your VPC, you likely have many internal resources. These could include application servers, databases, or other back-end services. You can use Route 53 to assign custom private domain names to these resources. For instance, you could name a database server for easy reference by your applications. We've already discussed several routing policies like failover, latency, and geolocation. However, Amazon Route 53 offers even more sophisticated routing policies to choose from. There is weighted routing, for example, which provides very flexible traffic distribution. This policy lets you send specific, defined proportions of your user traffic to different resources. You could, for instance, send 10% of your traffic to a new version of your application for A/B testing. Another useful type is multi-value answer routing. This allows Route 53 to respond to DNS queries with multiple IP addresses for a single domain name. This can help improve availability. Security is an extremely important consideration for any service operating on the internet. Amazon Route 53 supports a crucial security feature called DNSSEC. DNSSEC stands for Domain Name System Security Extensions. This feature helps to protect your users from certain types of online attacks. Specifically, DNSSEC is designed to prevent DNS spoofing, also known as cache poisoning. These malicious attacks attempt to redirect unsuspecting users to fake or harmful websites. With DNSSEC enabled for your domain, Route 53 provides cryptographic verification. It ensures that the DNS responses users receive are authentic and have not been tampered with. All of these diverse features and capabilities within Amazon Route 53 work together. They ensure that users can connect to your applications effectively. Route 53 makes sure these connections are fast, consistently reliable, and also secure. This applies whether it's through public DNS for your global website or if it is through private DNS for your internal resources within your AWS VPCs. The different routing policies provide you with fine-grained control over your traffic. Health checks play a vital role in maintaining high availability, even when underlying issues occur. And features like DNSSEC add essential layers of security, protecting your users and your brand. Route 53 in action, connecting users to your AWS resources. Let's look at a very simple and common use case for Amazon. Route 53. Imagine you have successfully launched a new web server. This server is running on an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2 instance. This EC2 instance has been assigned a public IP address by AWS. You also have a registered domain name, perhaps something like, you might have registered this domain through Route 53 itself or with another registrar. Your goal is to make sure that users who type into their browsers are directed to your web server running on that EC2 instance. This is straightforward with Route 53. To achieve this connection, you would go into the Route 53 console. There, you create what is called a record set within your domain's hosted zone. This record set essentially tells Route 53 how to route traffic for your domain. You would create an A record which maps a domain name to an IPv4 address. You would point to the public IP address of your EC2 instance. Once this record propagates across the DNS system, which is usually very fast, anyone typing your domain name will be directed to your EC2 server. For even better practice, you could assign an elastic IP address to your EC2 instance first. Amazon Route 53 is used for many other valuable scenarios as well. For hosting simple static websites, you can point your domain directly to an Amazon S3 bucket. This is a very cost-effective and scalable solution for sites without server-side scripting. If you are running a busier dynamic application, you will likely use an elastic load balancer. A load balancer distributes incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances for better performance and fault tolerance. Route 53 can direct your domain's traffic to this elastic load balancer. For critical disaster recovery planning, Route 53's failover routing is absolutely essential. It can automatically redirect your users. In conclusion, Amazon Route 53 is truly a vital and foundational AWS service. It plays an incredibly important role in how users all over the world connect to applications and websites hosted on the internet, including those on AWS. It ensures that this crucial connection process is consistently fast, highly reliable, and also secure. With its globally distributed network of DNS servers and its diverse set of routing policies, Route 53 offers powerful and flexible traffic management capabilities to all AWS customers. Whether you are hosting a small personal blog or a large-scale enterprise application, Route 53 provides the robust tools you need for